at about by Grace TV. So we did actually ample yanko pandom. I was young igna ho ye. A brand ko ye, or show burn or Ghana ha. No do about pounds in my best a don't watch it. And time is not outside at all. But of course, updating the bar now was ba na yeah the best mama sign na igna ye home. And somewhat ecoso. Ɛwɔ yɛn mmɔnten so deɛ ɛrebɛtwi akɔbrɛman yɛ ho bi hia sɛ yɛbɛkyerɛkyerɛ yɛadwene ho na ma biribiara ayɛ bɔkɔɔ sɛsi a deɛ abɛtɔ yɛ apono so nim sɛ wate ho asɛm wate ne ho wɔ mframa mu officially court summon no ɛna nyame adom yɛn nsa aka bi no ɛna yɛde ato afidie no nso sisi a no nti sɛ wote sɛ wo ho bi nam mmɔnten so a na deɛ ɛbɛtumi aka akyerɛw no sɛ ɛyɛ nokorɛ nsɛ it came as a rumor ɛbɛyɛ 4-5 wɔ baabi sisi a deɛ nyame adom yɛkɔpie bi so yɛkɔpie court nsaman krataa no bi so ɛwɔ ɛyɛ mmɔnten so ɛna de abɛto nti bɛtumi aka akyerɛw sɛ officially saa nsɛm a ne ate no honhom a na yɛbisa sɛ ɛte saa anaasɛ nte saa no sisi a de bɛtumi aka akyerɛw sɛ ɛte saa nti the news no sɛ Roman Fada asiw Kwenima na seal no damages ne adeɛ ɔpɛ 20 million Ghana cedis, that is 20 million, I say, 1 million Ghana cedis. There's 100 billion. 1 million Ghana cedis, 100 billion. Internet say 10 million Ghana cedis, I say, hey, any is kind of what you be doing, come on, near church, you not BBI book. This is an official letter, and I say a court writ of summons now. And the death the news is here with you, maybe I told me now one name. Until they take down and say, Roman Fada SU, a Kwenima. For 20 million Ghana cedis defamation. That is about 200 billion. Yes, 200 billion. Now, and some brain a work court on some character. Until they was here, so and I share drink a crown home. And as the yanking kind chairman, and you the cost on afe. You're finding our Mary. Joyce, we have a call here. Only need the Obama. So be out here. We didn't say break up. One say yeah, about this time. Because I say a story about Bentino. Now you need option. The answer about. Near the abyssum Amazon. So that you wrap court in some crater quickly. Now in about 15 minutes, but in TD in some crater no air. That is on your screen. So that is a writ of summons here free court about Bituja near Yezakabi near the abyssum Amazon. We shall writ of summons no court. That year court issue here any moon seminar negotiation. What the mammy can kind of have directly say factual. Okay, so that is it. Writ of summons issued on in Accra, yes, and that's no. Now date no, I said 27th of April. Next net day, was it 2017? Net day na a court. Makwaya or issue a writ of summons. Amana Babontin. So the suit number no, on say assembly court no. Emma and I say in some be court the number to so yeah, boss a number no so and I say boss a number na bones any and some will call court we near can once and the suit number no and that is GS/0657/2026 and no any suit number yeah and some sebi Roman Fada the Kwenima Akwakujina court no now a Romania shall say in the High Court of Justice Accra they say Accra High Court and Assembly na uremwa or say okay in the High Court of Justice General Jurisdiction Accra and Assembly free eba and na otre or one assembly form until say plaintiff no so that there be a no you can't say plaintiff any day or the assembly no court no and they also be in one no court and sense or no any defendant. And so in this case no and I'm say Roman Fada na they could name court Roman Fada and a plaintiff no and a defendant and so a Queen Emma. So we shall see between Philip Apia Kobi, aka Roman Fada, Lake Fianga Street, GC/there's an address, Santa Maria, Accra, on a plaintiff no. And a year on a defendant and so on one some of no. A Cindy Emma Kumsen, aka Queen Emma, Trasaco Valley, Accra, Ghana, on a defendant no. Now, see, Remo say, so to Cindy Emma Kumsen as a crater, got in some crater, or tray, yeah, or they bring a Queen Emma. Now, you was say, an action having been commenced against you by the issue of this writ by the above named plaintiff. Now, a court will come and say, in Sakasa crater, we are. Then they also say, yɛbi atu anamɔ ɛwɔ court ɛde atia no na deɛ watu anamɔ wɔ court de atia no ɛyɛ the above named plaintiff yɛ nipa a ne din ɛwɔ soro which is Roman Fada wɔn atu sɛ anamɔ no ɛde atia no ɛwɔ court nti ne din na wɔn ho sɛ ase atwerɛ fili papi akobi aka Roman Fada ne din wɔ hɔ ɛna wɔn to aso bi no say you are hereby commanded that within 8 days after service of this writ on you inclusive of the day of service you do cause an appearance to be entered for you. Nti omo chere omo ka chere say e brand nsa beka krata yi ekopem be say 8 days na wotwe ntem no on cause so appearance for court na yemfa anasa court enter the details ni bia say be aseni no ebetimi ahyase. And I watch him say and take notice that in default of your so doing judgment may be given in your absence without further notice to you. Nti ko ba say ebia 8 days ne so na yes sister Konima enya nkɔ so appearance ɛwɔ the Accra High Court ɔmbɛkɔ so make judgment without the presence yes ɔmbɛkɔ so make judgment without her presence nti saa na court ɛka nsɛm no ya ni na so nkyɛmu ɛne yɛde soma mansan no na abusua we want to date this and they are dating that's what I no 27th of April 2026 and he was a Chief Justice and so a signature and an address or no HSN no correct and a pattern from the Accra High Court. Do the room, what are the conditions? At the end reliefs and someone Roman for the Akodan Court or share. Unzo be the Assam Court or the Orisha Court and your manner and now I can send claims no not send reliefs or share at the free court on them. And you know in this assembly Akodan Court you was on fan chairman as my slow kakra on fan chair do right I show ni kunipa asim okay and in room ni share a court and some karata na okay so where is it I mean fan on to ni share claims no ni ma o hwehwe e dey free court for them in okay yeah so these are the claims did kind of say the plaintiff's claim is for that statement of claim I'll say the plaintiff's claim is for the claims, no plaintiff ni claims no. But I can say a declaration that the words published by the defendants in the impunged videos concerning the plaintiffs are false and defamatory. And to say, court more say, Sabi, Asimbia also say, Konema aka ede afana ho na eye defamatory Sabi, egun ho fi no. Court emwa says Asimbia bia Konema aka de afana ho na Konema yes, what published the affair? A court in was first of all, no credit that's a false and tisa. Secondly, I think so a defamatory, let's say a good hoofing and near Bako. I feel to as well the second one release no, as any claims now or every court one. Second one is an order for general damages, studio, an order for general damages in the sum of 20 million Ghana cedis, 10 years. An order for general damages in the sum of 20 million Ghana cedis in respect of relief aid. Let's say after said the officer court on country queen must say on patch or answer one chips not some more kind no correct court mbo say a force it's also a defamatory no and I'm saying defamatory you know or say an order for general damages in the sum of 20 million Ghana cedis the court emma kunima into a 20 million Ghana cedis as a form of compensation yeah not only because of damages here and I said defamation also say or they defaming a personality and I say and said yeah the nipadua yes or they defaming on 20 million Ghana cedis. I was at 20 million Ghana cedis now. 100,000 Ghana cedis is 1 billion. Okay, into 1 million Ghana cedis is 10 billion. The 10 million Ghana cedis is 100 billion. The 20 million Ghana cedis now is 200 billion. That's a kunima into your 200 billion. And from a Yebra Roman Fada because what defaming according to someone cut our share at the free court one. Then ya no kwa yet was to be more say damages including special damages including special aggravated and exemplary damages for defamation arising from the publication of the said videos by defendants and the subsequent republication thereof by various local and international media platforms. Nti no damages no share damages no say ni na for eka sabi oyenne ne ohaw ene sabi amanya nsem we dia bre no esan after say ba abonten ye dia yɛn vloggers ne adeɛ obi so bɛfa na wafa de ayɛ videos ne adeɛ to hu sɛ ne nyinaa nti na wɔkyerɛm sɛ saa 200 billion yɛ a ɔhwehwɛ ɛde afiri konema hɔ no ɛho behia sɛ ɛwɔ sɛ court ma kwan na otua ɛde ɛma no ɛwɔ sɛ court ma kwan na otua bibia ɛde ma no na afei bibia ɛnso ɛyɛ bɔkɔ na bibia ɛyɛ asomdwe sɛ de sitie so it's also one of them a ɔhwehwɛ ɛde afiri court hɔ no afei ɛtoa so bio mu a ɔse an order of perpetual injunction restraining the defendant, whether by herself, her servants, agents, or assigns, from further publishing or causing to be published the said or similar words defamatory of the plaintiff. Just say, court, emfa tabo afebo. Court, emfa tabo afebo. There's an injunction, perpetual injunction in the HSA. Kopim say we are sebe court, emfa tabo to swa na onse a defendant, which is the name I say. Emma video anase bibia a ɔkan yɛ de fa no ɛma ɔntɔnkɔ so ɛnkɔ publish wɔ baabiara ɛno yɛ baako ɛma ɔntɔnkɔ so ɛnka ho asɛm wɔ baabiara ɛna court ɛnsan so ɛnhyɛ sɛ aside sɛ bi a konema na mu no obi kura bi a ɔka konema ho ɔne konema yɛ adwen anase bi a ɛma obi akora nkɔ publish asɛm bi a ɔho ne sɛ bi a konema aka fa ne ho a ɛno nti akɔ ha adwen ma court nhyɛ sɛ ma obi a and go ahead non-publish the same adena mo bi anko publish the same defamatory message bia emfa na ho tie no so ehon sem kakra ya oka eno no tie no so ya ba court nhye no ntia sesa and then after it also be mu a or say that is the fifth one or say an order directed at the plaintiff to publish to you another directed at the plaintiff to publish with equivalent prominence in the same medium, a suitable apology in terms to be agreed upon by the parties or approved by the plaintiff, and for same to be permanently archived on the defendant's social media platforms so as to remain accessible and searchable. Okay. Enti eno ene nsem no bia oka say aside bia no court ensan so emfa ohye ento konema so na ɔhyɛ court mfa nto so nyinaa ne sɛ court nhyɛ no na ɔmpaakyɛw the same medium bi a ɔkyerɛ sɛ video sɛ bi akɔne ma yɛ fa no ho no ɔmfa the same medium so na ɔmpaakyɛw na ɔsɛ sɛ ɔfa the same medium so na ɔpaakyɛw no ɛbɛyɛ sɛ ɛbrɛ a ɔn sɛ parties no that is ɔno sisi a Roman Fada na yɛ plaintiff yɛ ɔde asɛm na akɔdan court ɛna akɔne ma so yɛ defendant nti plaintiff ne defendant no ɔmo nyinaa hyia na ɔmo dwendwen sɛ obi a mekora chop am pese opa no pese we say a de ɔmo nyinaa bɛ tena ase a ɔmo bɛkɔ adwenkuro mu a ɔmo nyinaa bɛgye ato no ɔsɛ court ɛnhyɛ sɛ konema ɛmfa the same medium so sɛ de ɔmo nyinaa bɛsi agye ato no na ɔmfa akyɛwpa ɛmra bɔnten ɛma obi an ho bi na no bɛyɛ meet medical kan medium a ɔno plaintiff no anase ɔno Roman Fada wagye atom sɛ sei na mepɛ sɛ makyɛwpa ɔpa me no ɛkɔ ɛno yɛ baako afei oto aso bi mu yɛ di saa hɔ na nkɔmɔ a ɛna ɔsai kyerɛ mu bi sɛ aside no ɔnsan so archive ɔde akyɛwpa no bi a ɔmpin ni anasɛ ɔmfa bi nto ɔno ankasa ne social media handle ekobi social media handle bi a ɔyɛ active hɔ no ɔmfa nto ɔno archive hɔ akyɛ sɛ ɛbɛwɔ hɔ afebɔ sɛ de ɛbɛyɛ bi ɛkyena bi koraa no obi koko hu sɛ mmerɛ bi a sanye me na meka court nkrata na me report di amanya me na meka whatever obi kɔ no ko hu sɛ mmerɛ bi koraa bi asɛm bi sei na ɛka de fa Roman Fada ho a na nipa na kɔ hu sɛ ɔsɛ nipa na mu asa ko hu sɛ asɛm no koraa no ɛkyerɛ court ɛma ebia yɛ sister ɛtwe sign ya ɔtwe sign ne mpo video a ɔyɛ no ɛna ɔde aba beto na ɛsɛ ada hɔ a obi abɛho bi ɛno nso yɛ baako nti no archive those apology videos are being na on the social media handle so the bear obi biara kura ya waka no obi abehu se etwe chide bi so obi ko hu sansensem no otensem bi sa e ba so bi atwa was despite the fact that sansem no buy no a chew pan so buy yeah be on the social media handles forever no so ensem no bi a oka now ye to aso bi mu a o say yes ntino I mean I was say a chew pan ya a chew pa obia ko tam ne phone sometime to come. Now, of course, social media is not such here. Obi sampa, oh, a child pakra, yes, sister Konema, a pie, and any ye be evident, the amobia. And also, yeah, one of the conditions, and I said, claims ni be a Roman father, free the Accra High Court on them. Now, so here to also be more, I'll say, another directed at the defendant to use the same medium and with equal prominence to retract the said defamatory statement and render an unqualified apology to the plaintiff. Do I say, or Serwaa say, and it didn't on Brazil council or Bompa because a court on Tiasia. Now, court to Tiasia man we are, and I court and share on for two defendants, which is Kunemaso. Say, platform and as a medium, I'll use here now. Roman for the Suso, they can't seem be a hard dream. At the fan, court and share someone for the same medium so with the same prominence. Said yeah, Osika Symbio Suzoka Biano. On for that same channel, as the same medium. So, quite of us, so casting Biano, now for a chop PC and for Emra abundant. The only kind, say, nobody can transign, retract, the near barco, but you can retract a some way be our kind, we are not the asset PC. And I say, or the actual PC at Wasso. So the bear or be our beholding or very track to be a American, see, and I see a be a sissy a machine sign. Now, for you, also the chopper, I come up plaintiff. So the plaintiff, that's Roman father, I wish I free. I Accra High Court on Barco and so on. I feel, it also be more or say, oh, come I'm not repeating. The MD can now the fourth point, the fifth point, and so now in line until be out here. That's what you can check. Why? So I'm not repeating. The next point now make one same. Just now in line until why whether okay. The end to us the point G or say an order directed at the defendants to remove the defamatory videos from all internet platforms and to take all necessary steps to cause their deletion and prevent further dissemination. To say, aside BBM no, or say it's fair court to say, court enter say, now court ensure defendant, which is this is the Konema in this matter. Court ensure defendant, no, not defendant, no. After say what you say, you know, videos be plenty. That's Roman for the who say. ABS sister, I mean, who say be a hard drain na etia or no. Court ensure says videos thing na. Onko in free internet niso baby say Facebook o say TikTok o baby o bia no sister enkonko in free so na fe onto asuntu and I want start with all necessary steps we beboa na ama baby abi obi anso no e be delete na free o na kina bi obi antumi ankoma kwan na kina bi akwanya bi ama am obi nso amfa the same content no uncommon thing so nti no so ye bako yeah, or the answer waka actual and answer actually or the abel court say in the more share a free court one. And after what was to be more point H no say cost of and incidental to this action, including legal fees into no afi cabini idea bebe can idea boom ebembia yeah France and some way who ya be court and afi legal fees in answer no or bomb pricing in nice stay into that is the defendant no. And then finally I say any other relief that this honorable court may deem fit to grant in this circumstance after we now wakana or sister or says a court to share na bibi ho de ka ho biem na so beboa or sir court to say court and franka ho and from ntia motin hu on from me a say na ye say ko pen ye ko yenhwe mo say and no question sim bi sa wa no kre the ababe to gan this is here the and then they are na writ of sermon free Accra High Court ever wanting yeah mun sim na say Roman father watching your sister Konema edna kwa akujina watching your sister Konema edna kwa akujina Accra High Court yeah up 20 million Ghana cedis defamation no I mean cost in terms of damages because of defamation no up 20 million Ghana cedis which is 200 billion because me kabia yeah me kind of their reference is Accra High Court, the a year that number year was so Kumasano. And it's another two pack so about 2 million Ghana cedis, which is 20 billion. It is a 2 million now 20 that is a times 10. And there's a times 10 no. There's a 200 billion. This is here the ababeto no. Yeah, you didn't say much here. yɛde mu nkyerɛmu na so mo nti yɛhwɛ sɛdeɛ ɛbɛsi akɔ na agya nokorɛ asɛm no emu ɛyɛ nti yɛbɔ nyame mpaeɛ sɛ ɔmmoa na biribiara nyɛ bɔkɔɔ sɛbi medeɛ menyɛ obi a ɔbɛ ho ba asɛm a ɛba bɛkasa anaasɛ ma wabɛ daabi yɛn nyinaa adwuma wei a yɛyɛ na sɛ yɛn yɛkasa wɔ ntɛntɛmfidie so yi we are not immune to saa nneɛma wei so ho sɛbi yɛ nipa do baabi bi a kasa no bɛtumi aba na akɔ yɛ nti no mpaeɛ na yɛbɛtumi abɔ sɛ nyame na amoa na ɔma biribiara nyɛ bɔkɔɔ nyame na amoa na ɔma biribiara nyɛ asomdwie na mentu yɛ nyinaa yɛ nsɛntwerɛfoɔ nso fo sɛ obi wɔ hɔ a sɛ mi sɛ yɛaba no afei no a wobɛbɔ se masa wonim kyena asɛm o wonim kyena asɛm nti yɛnya abotire na yɛnsrɛ nyame sɛ ɔno ammerɛ mu na ɔmɛkasa ɛma biribiara ɛnyɛ bɔkɔɔ ɛyɛ very very sad paa because sɛ baako kura wɔ hɔ koraa sɛ ho asɛm nyanka wi ɛna wei nso a wɔabɛbɔ mu dɛ na in fact me ho asɛm koraa menka abusua nti wode yɛsrɛ nyame sɛ ɔno ahu yɛ mmɔbɔ na ɔno ammerɛ mu yes because ɛyɛ very very sad paa 200 billion abusua ɛnyɛ sika ketewa hɔ 200 billion wow nti wode nyame bɛyɛ abusua nti wode yɛde bɛsɔ mo amenyi messages no bi aba no firi kakra bi na yɛmfa show no nyinaa mmerɛ wode yɛnkyɛ breaking news nti no I was just supposed to give you the news. Marisha da so hoye mamuza all the comments we brought about making kind nyina ede ama on Sunday the show no abere. Nti abusua aside that 20 in the medical kada so hwa that conditions be o ho ni na no excess is similar. Tina na obi say repeat no it's not about me repeating but claims no hwe na bia ni na in line ni na akoko wi say court ema no entwinsan no on patcho court man entwinsan no on patcho afei videos no onye ni nyina front and fidie nso na afei won hwe sɛ ɛyɛ ono anasa ne ho nipa bia obi aso nsa amfa video bi saa ɛma monten so na obi a ɛmfa video bi anko monten so sɛ de bɛyɛ a ɛnkogu ne ho fi ɛna afei wɔ sa kyerɛm sɛ court ensign enhye sɛ ɔpa akyɛw no wi a ɔnya ho video ɔyɛ ho video ɔyɛ ni nyinaa no ɔde bɛto social media nso ɔde bɛto ne ɔno ane me handles wɔ social media ɛbɛyɛ archive akyɛ sɛ ɔn sɛ ade ɛbɛda hɔ afebɔɔ sɛ ɛbɛyɛ kyena bi kura obi ɛnam media no so na obepie na account yi so ɛwɔ YouTube anaasɛ sɛ obepie na account so wɔ TikTok baabi wakɔpie bia no ohun ɔbɛhu sɛ yes sometime back ebia sister Kwenima ɛka asɛm sei na ɔka asa asɛm wie no watwe nyinaa san yɛ ho adanse mpo na wɔn sɛ ɛbɛyɛ a in fact kyena bi in some time to come obetumi kɔ na ɔkɔkɔgo ana ɔkɔsɛkye ɛwɔ ntɛntɛafidie so obɛhu sɛ ampa kyɛw pa no koraa yeah, can want some and I say that is the bottom line of the whole thing. Yeah, I say yeah. There be a light in Mario, light in my and yes, some kitokra. Yeah, some Yamunyam Empire said, be a baby. That's all I can say. Because okay. Into the American comments be about for comment bra. Then I'll car. Lydia Boma say hi. Hello, Lydia. Lydia, the Alban no. Okay, Joyce, Sister Joyce. The Alban called here, the Albany. Also, they think they can do this to cover up the allegations, but then for I say more Sister Joyce. Of marriage that say, I pray Emma will find a way of leaving the country. Okay. I say more marriage dash. Okay. After one beam in the comment about Akuya Jackie, Akuya say, oh, it's sad. Akuya, yeah, very, very sad. Very, very sad. And if you say has Roman Fada I'm saying the account to me ama no free what do you mean travel be the account to me ama and I feel when be explore with Joe explore baby I work out here explore with Joe explore with Joe here come now I come here in peace explore I know say you come here in peace and to me so more kwaba but in peace into better na say na ye na yen come on na ye ni nko na bibi anya boko explore okay na bibi aboko there I feel marriage that say this is nonsense the Odobroni side want to frustrate Akosua Serwaa's side, and I think the other side also start doing that for this nonsense to stop. Okay, but I learn say, Mama Akosua Serwaa, according to our parent DK, or say, Mama Akosua Serwaa say on the one for Obianku Jina court. On you be any asimbiaka. Say, Obiaka Semsi atone so, Obiaka Semsi atone so, Obi Akawe, or so on you be any asimbiaka. Yeah, Mama Akosua Serwaa say, according to our parent DK. ɔsɛ maame Akosua Serwaa sɛ ɔne obi ani asɛm ka na ɔno deɛ ɔyɛ Kristo ne nti ɔde n'asɛm nyinaa ma nyame sɛ nyame na abɛdi n'asɛm sɛ yɛwɔ ha na yɛtee saa ɛyɛ asɛm a nyame na abɛdi n'asɛm ama no because sɛ berɛ a nsɛm no hyɛ ase yɛgbaa sɛ yɛ sister Priscilla Oforie na Odobroni asiw Konima no ɛna amanfoɔ hyɛ aseɛ sɛ daabi ɛna deɛ na maame Akosua Serwaa nso yɛ kɔ nipa bebree na aka nsɛm a ɛha adwene de afa no ama bi koraa hyɛ aseɛ sɛ maame no nso nteki amanfoɔ ɔn ɛno na akyire mu a yɛ papa ndi kedi bɛto dwa sɛ maame Akosua Serwaa kyerɛ sɛ daabi ɔne obiara ni court nsɛnsɛm biara na sɛdeɛ ebere bi atwam nipa bi ka nsɛm to no so mpo sɛ wa poison ne kunu abra na ɛnte saa na ɔde n'asɛm nyinaa maa nyame na nyame naa berɛ pɛm after some years ne kunu no aba abɔnten bɛka sɛ meyere Akosua Serwaa ɔntumi nyɛ saa da no ɔno deɛ ɔgyidie sɛ nyankoropɔn twɛdi ampɔn ba sɛ yɛ adɔm deɛ ɔbɔɔ soro ne asase honam nyinaa wura no ne berɛ so a nyame naa bɛsan so avindicate nyame naa bɛma ne ho san ama asɛm bi obi aka afa ne ho biara no yɛbɛhu sɛ nokorɛ biara nim nti ɔno deɛ ɔne obiara ni court nsɛnsɛm Mary that is it report a yɛnya ne sɛ maame Akosua Serwaa kyerɛ sɛ ɔne obiara ni court nsɛnsɛm biara deɛ obiara ka afa ne ho ɔne yɛtwa no adapra nyinaa obiara nka ɔne obiara ni hwee okay nyame naa bɛkasa deɛ amansa na ɔka okay so but Mary they also want to say it's a way to frustrate supporters of Maame Akosua Serwaa nyɛ saa ɛyɛ asɛm a explore with Joe say let's pray for our sister no correct because in fact my chance on this no I'm very disturbed I'm very disturbed seriously because ɛyɛ asɛm a Mauto Akucha say they are not serious at all has she killed anyone ɛyɛ asɛm a ɛha adwene afei when BM Nana Fiyesi has one father got that has one father got that himself at the bank. Ghana is a jail country and banana country. Okay, let's Ubuza say 200 billion no. Na Ubuza say plenty for the Asana down court. That's one father ya pay 200 billion. Ubuza say Obi of Bank of Ghana. Ebi ano obi ho send the job and the everyday ho. Yenim obi abutum. So okay, Martin and the free bibi abokodi na other man. After Root Golden Star abokodi. Or say they know they have lost. Oh, okay. And after Mary Sada say not even in serious defamation suits do people require for such unreasonable amount. I say more. And after Joyce say, hey, Sister Joyce, I will check, whatever. And after Mauta Akucha BM say they want to use the money to pay. Matia Mautu Adorama. And after Joyce say, Joyce, I would say, never Sister Joyce, any other sister. I would say. Explore with you, say, Nana Fiyesi, hey, Nana, I would say, I was attending the young one, but and after Mary Sada say they don't want people to ask them questions about the death of that Lumba. And after Joyce said they should provide Lumba's body. Oh, okay. So no there. Lumba's body there. I mean, Joyce, Sister Joyce, you know, Hannah, you know, never probably you could see and I was your pain in mind. I was caught. Central for Busa and said, nah, if I part that Lumba, a month for Busa, send a body no here from. Emma upon the 2 years old. Or come will be at na yɛ papa no body no deɛ ɔmo sie no wɔ ne fie yɛ nti deɛ sɛ assistance a kɔpem sɛ bi a ɔmo prove otherwise no we might assume say asana papa no kan if it is anything to go by there ɛsɛ na if that lumba fie na ɔmo sie body sɛ dɛ papa bi a ɔkɔgyina abusuapɛn na some time back ɛwɔ court ɛde to adwa no ɔbɛyɛ ne dɛn ɛna afei julie ɛtam akɔgyuli mete wɔn ka kyerɛ bibi abɔkɔ deɛ ɔsɛ the family should also write to the court Lumba is dead so there is no manager again. Oh, okay, Matia. And after Anabe, this is why do they have to lie? I mean, Tiasana, why? Okay, Community Americans are Community. And Americans say they are doing too much using the corrupt judicial system. I say more. Okay, Explore Joe say, hey, by grace, this is too much and too far. Explore, and ask them 200 billion. And how about they explore? Nyame na yemompae. After marriage that say my advice to all active team legal wives is not to go Ghana for now or not to go to Ghana for now. Oh, okay. There's a marriage that also two team legal wives who are more continue now for say sir say oh there be okay fine marriage dash and after marriage dash 2 million self they will not get okay I say more after marriage dash we say Emma must leave the country as a konema on free Ghana. Okay, Matia. And after Barista say wicked people and weak system. And I say, oh, yes, Ghana system here weak. Yes, sir. Okay, Matia. Barista say he's working together with. Oh, okay. And there's always no business lights now, but they be like saying, just say, I show me a team sir. Oh my Ghana. Oh, aban munye bibio na ya asɛm ya to aba mama na no ya na de mo de be de but say mo say Akosua mu asa him for baby na hye muntu wana mo but even before say Akosua mu be hye na no na ye ta dundum kan ya yo tie sɛ mo mo yɛ na mo ya me nsɛsi for mo ye ne ya na ye ta mo chi sɛ mo bɛbo amaganya tumpo na yensa esi for afi one maka ma use that na the self can tank say no comment because asem we there ye me hipa I've done at 200 billion has he seen some before I have said more okay and I'm that say yes she said that but since these guys yes, she said that, but since these guys don't want peace, she needs to equally sue them. Oh, okay. Let's say even though Mama Akosua Serwaa can say when you obi ani asem ka na nyame na beka na asem ama no kra no a de enipa bi de ye the teacher fontin kono so ntu anamon. Yes sir. No so try so be sue nipa ne bi. Okay, Matia, Maurice Dash, Matia Sepa. After one beam. Hey, Martin said, "Medicaid, make kind of a man can be there." Francis Oponsi, they want to silence Team Lagos. They want to silence Team Lagos. It's a plan work. Answer, where is Lumba body? Oh, okay. Okay, there's a Francis. They also want to say, one person almost said that now a cut Team Lagos wise for no and two. Tina Manakoban Samatia. A burning crabby and a betray. After marriage, that's a Roman father should rather see those people in Ghana who said, oh, okay. Martina say, Omwa, Mamma could uncle a nyame the anam for a business and questions. One sees out for the mom. Okay, Matia. After the Safu can tank say, no comedic kind, no matter marriage sedation so dear no. Said though Mamma could say, I'll be able to a Christian there, but because of the Nippon be the teacher for the bayan, no soon take his step be on soon see a man for and only as some more. Mary Sadash, a car, I'm sweating. Even though I'm trying my best, yeah, do right, not just say, a show me a dear organ. Sim oh, I have some more. Timon Fanchem, why, Mother Roma, in me pay, doing so no abana no dimpa. After one beam, Maurice Dash beam say, there's a social media fight, which all sides went overboard. So why this? I don't have some no. Because send a video see, who been so from maybe at the other side and so and simple be a omoka near but ja say no to na and somebody shall see a coba say yedi can see kwenema the very first one be as a dey na Maame Akosua Serwaa so ensiu e fa ne bi say e be ya pepepe but I know the answer Maame aka say or a Christian nti oni obi ani asem bi aka oni obi ani obviously oni obi ani siu bi anyame na be kana asem mama because don't say I mean left obia kana atra so kakra ne ade yeah even though that's not how it's supposed to be but so you be ya na akọ ha twen kakra tina ha twen but when they yeah kana akọ akosi say yen to us with the comments ni bi na yen fa show Mary because e brand ko yie pa. Now when beam even anama say good evening nanama oko obode se kon. Bibi aboko de wada roma. And afi Erisapon say Akosua Serwaa knows that she has no legitimate case against anyone. Otherwise, she would definitely sue. Oh, okay, okay, Matia. She should stop with the laughable excuse of being a Christian. Hasn't she already gone to court? Oh, okay. Matia Erisapon. Mate. So court on say Mami Chim Yerek or say, Omo can some Eddie good and in once no. And also when you shake and Yamina be dinner some so a Christian. And according to your pen, you go change or say, maybe you cry. Say, we didn't sound to so a pausing in Nikun. Yeah, be a deja monte so. Then so Yanko Pandum 29th of September 2024. Oh, Bayview Village or Accra, Domeko Benya area. That Lumba na ka asem Maame Akosua Serwaa ntimi nye sadam o so ye di wan kasa ho ebra ye de sanse no to no so no en nyame brepem na ne ko na besanity so jide se obi a o kan nsem bi e no so mo ya de fa na ho no nyame na breso a nyame na besanity ama o mo kasa ina e betwe asan no se ko de na ko en de na sing na se on ye the only legally wedded wife of the late musician Intino on what to me say what say I mean or ye kuna ne ade en na afei I mean, court in Boaman say, Quran say a subset of a wife. So what I say, Quran is just a minute function of a wife. Into the India Quran court, and I say, court in one man say, oh no, and the only legal wife of the late dead Lumba. Yeah, I'll say a warrior or a mremu, and telling him say, Obi worry through civil, and I say ordinance, I want to worry being count, and a man in the court. But none you say, you'll be can't send the gun once. Derek, I think it's a difference, Kakao. we need the also won feel more can some did not tell am the gu na mu ase onyame na be sanity because say amafo bi a ka gu no so nyame na be sanity brepem but the back mas na nya say bi obi na aka asem I mean court say my call last year nya say bi obi na aka asem atono so but no say only so the only legally wedded wife in the court enhwem na wo mu amane sa so sana madwen am the Eric nim say what masira okay now after one bm so me say dum so hene is back. Some of so and yeah, I'm on your phone, mamma. But I had dream on the most serious to the hard dream. But see, I'm on shall say complaining. One way pump pump near money at the common things to correct. Or my shall say complaining, but ever stress a banana hard dream, the uncle be me found. Nine money we are to chat because the embassy go back to 2014. One more Ghana Sabre, Mr. America, 2014, 2015, and a little bit of 2016. Not it's serious. That time now is you're doing so now nothing. But you see, go back to those times now. Was no more thing. After one BM. Nana bna, hey Nana, never. Na bibi aboko there. Nana bna say, good evening, Kobna. Today I went to work without my phone. I forgot my phone at home. I just came home. Oh, za, yay, kafra. That's won't forget to say Nana bna. Ali, won't forget to say, you be yamiasi. Say what the kwa be dress on you say and then adwuma me bokọ bibia akoso kama de em da oba de nyanko kwanse pa afi na nyako bright ko fo dia job ndese kron da sebre koku what na o se kwabna na nyako bibia bokọ de odaroma and afi Mary said that say Odobroni, so after the storm is over can you and your children even visit the maternal home of that Lumba? This is not how a wife should treat the family of her husband. Kama is real. I said, Marriage dash. Okay, so I mean, yeah, they are after these issues in life will go on. So the be na program I comment me can send be say busuya. I say we are bay. You to me see a church ya dwen wo ho, ye ne omo ene omo ya adwene, omo ene omo nya adwene ade. But yeah, mo ye measured say. Asem we en wo ho ankopim wiase awie yo. Asem we to be twa. Na etu twa life be koso. Ti say wan hwe na omo anu tia obi wanhwe na okoka de yes oka de tire obi a nyame adom ti asem to betwa e to twa na abrabo na to aso a how will you relate with omo aka no? So I mean that is what we are talking about. How will you relate with omo aka nti no okay now when be in the comment about na yento aso na yankinkan emfa enkyere amansan the ideas I agree with Mary said that say denia ensem to betwa etutwa abusuafo ina wo samosa akabom because the legacy of the legend they will bien to me the legacy in front and it's not now we can na Saturday by program be video sre me na to park me na confuse na wadaroma yankwada me chia esre na to park say nana we nka ha dwen a nano mo a e won kran gogolo mo ahemfi a o kire se o mo hia no e be yanka na tie na kuti asem o ka because of ebusuan mpuntu ne kamponti go ye po the enti azezi ate se that Lumba ebusuan ye bibia a obi a twe ne kama na phone ya yi na kama be twe kama na phone ko no enye obi anti that Lumba ofre ebusuan ne muntia eye obrempon bi ebusuan ye nyame de obrempon bi ne du ebusuan ne and ebusuan be koso aye ebusuan wo behia Ghana for akopim wiase awie. I think members of the family say omana montu bi and they should be measured because yet denia and 72 be twa but ebusuan be wa afebo and e was ebusuan wo ho no so e ho here meet the standard of the legend so on say city yen so nyame so hu yemabo na bibia nya boko afi wan bim ama yes na abra na mebo a ubeja afun wo fi unya afun wo fi say you say that bro now was okwa adwuma ntempa me and I'm saying round so ejani oma ye ya nti em say na ne je ne ade so ya auto praise ne ade ana and a powerful bag ya all the praise and worship ne ekwa adwuma so the kind of call the train ekwa praise and worship na the for ya okwa nti na ye ni je no so because that's why na ye eja ye ya ne oma ye ya na papa and ubeja fun wo fi ye nyame asekra so de wabedra so ntwemu aja edidie no emro so na wo di free sabi na mu sorry ya wo de ye ne ya aye ya bepem sabi Okay. You know, I Nana Abna. Never. Okay. Now, Abna, let me business Nana. Nana Kokomi echi amount free. Oya na ebichi wana. Say ya obusia. Kwabena, what's kwabena? Never. Say ya say, wow, what's not betting na chere. Na nye video. I mean, a program of free. But me share the your can never na. Most working I know what's not betting sa. Enya asem kitu. Yanto asem. Afe ama adia champion say Roman Fada. Has he ever seen 20 million Ghana cedis? That's 200 billion. No business who be that. Asem obi na obi honoma wadaroma. Okay. Asem 200 billion. That is too much money. But anyway, minim remo asem enti yenhwe said the ABC akọ. Now, why be Maurice that say, Master, do so was if hey, Maurice that man can't boni wadaroma. Yeah, Maurice that. Yeah, mommy, man can't boni. I'll say, Massa, Dumso was even in 2021 and 2024, leave politics. No, not that be, maybe politics. But, Mary, not make us say, you know, I be kind of cry. Men cast 2024, send your money doom light back on me. But don't say, Dumso, it do not crescendo pa. I mean, if we be honest with ourselves, sir. Dumso do the peak pa that 2014-15 thereabouts. Then the 2016 there, best early part of 2016, about the free. Be March, April 2016, when I do so on, then you go him. And Tiana, Abana, Abbey Castle, solve and some of I agree with them because 2016, but we and not do so on. I mean, not back from Kakra, the later part of 2016. But the American, you know, Maurice that she, mamma, the one partner, what do you mean? 2014-15, not doing so on all things. And America, so we don't want to go back to, I mean, that time. So what I say. So the lights there, I believe I say, so we want to do light Kakra. But maybe kind of say, go see hands what to do 12 hours, need 6 hours. And Tana make and yes say I mean normal life out. Why Maurice Dash, whatever where the address Mr. Some will say Maurice Dash, she has never visited them before. Oh, okay, that's a some Kabibi, actually Maurice Dash. And after Eric Sapon say actually the situation she went to court is the situation she went to court over is even worse for someone claiming to be a Christian because of what the result would have been if I'd gotten what she wanted from the courts. I say more. Now I'll be able to say you are right, pa Kwabena. Okay, I was enti ja we dey yes on cry come the aba beto dwa ɛna yɛ sɛ yɛba yɛde abɛsoma mansan na yɛn nyinaa yɛate ase so yɛmmɔ mpae yɛnsuo nyame sɛ ɔno ambrɛm because mekura deɛ mehu deɛ menka bio because asɛm no mu ɔya paa ɛmu ɔya nti me deɛ yɛbɛka ne sɛ yɛsuro nyame awurade no ankasa awurade na mmerɛm na wɔma akoma ntɔ yam Maurice Dash wɔ hɔ anaa wokɔ awurade na mmerɛm na wɔma akoma ntɔ yam na nteaseɛ mmra na biribiara nyɛ bɔkɔɔ because nneɛma no bi wɔ hɔ a ɛkɔ akɔduru baabi a ɛyɛ na ɛne nyan nokorɛ in the heat of saa nsɛnsɛm wei no yɛn nyinaa yɛbɛdi ho adanseɛ sɛ yɛdɛ ne a amena bi a ano no bi bɛkɔ so na bia but ɛyɛ asɛm but ɛyɛ na ɛyɛ sɛ ɛsɛm sɛ ba a wobɛtɛne around no wobɛhu sɛ obi ɛkasa na obi kyɛ sɛ bi koraa bi kasa ma ne tia yɛ sister yi a saa berɛ a me no kasa yi ebia ne ho aba asɛm kakra deɛ bia busua ɔyɔnko ho kɔ asɛm ho asusumu wɔ ne yie o ɔyɔnko ho kɔ asɛm ho asusumu a wakoma ntɔ yam na bɔ nsrehe dabi ɛyɛ asɛm na aba ya ebia ni kwan sɛ ebia nka ba ne saa bɛdɛ bɛn da ebia akɔba ne saa so deɛ ya ne betimi an sɛ yɛbɛsrɛ Nyankopɔn sɛ wɔno amrɛm na wɔnka fa ne yɛfa no nyinaa akoma na ɔma biribiara nyɛ asomdwe but to take advantage of issues like this na say yes dabi so I asɛm it's sad okay but nyame na bɛyɛ adwo ase okay Eric Sapon Nana Abuna they say me was you are right pa kwa Nana Abuna me yawe ko se me amhwe nneema ne ade ne nneema ya tin say ya na ya odi ya ntem say o kokwa na o to o kwa so be Nana Abuna me hwe wa beko ba asere ana akọ gidi ana o ye Pentecost ni so o ye Pentecost ni dia ene o sori ya and yeah, also Pentecost was so enemy. Oh, Yehovah to Funyam and I'll to ya and I'll fall back and I'll continue. It's one of the show from question because and need any many need any many hoto kisto this muja sa and I'll de and just akwe. Oh yeah, Methodist in Swa and also any journey idea by it. Minya chema maker told you now to say oh for it zintans to sing. Anabna, abutrue. Okay, now you to say, I was up on say, Akosua Serwaa and Brimpoma already burned the bridge between them. Oh, sir, burned the bridge between them and Priscilla. So at this point, her only goal is clearing the name of her husband and herself. Oh, okay, Matia, example, so I didn't share the abana. Okay, Matia, and I say, Maurice Dash, comment out the buyer, and example, and so you and Maurice Dash, are you there? And I will fish you so echo, other and say, Maurice Dash comments, and example, so I mean, or can be their phone. And I Joe Adams say, please, I'm just joining. What is Roman Fada accusing Queen Emma of? Okay. And Joe Wada Roma, the thing now say, Roman Fada SU, yes, sister Queen Emma, defamation suit damages our channel, best compensation of 20 million Ghana cedis, which is 200 billion sikadada. And you know, say, or say, waka and simbi at the afana hoa. Ɔkyerɛ sɛ ɛnyɛ nokorɛ no afei ɛsan so agu ne ho fi anaasɛ agu ne mu ase nti kɔɔto nhyɛ na nsɛm a akɔne mu a ɔsusu sɛ akɔne mu a ɔka afa ne ho yɛ a ɔho ne sɛ nte sɛ bia no kɔɔto nhyɛ akɔne mu a na akɔne mu a ɛmɛgye ntom sɛ ne nsɛm ɔkaeɛ no na kɔɔto mu asɛ nsɛm akɔne mu akaeɛ no yɛ false nte saa na afei ɛsan so yɛ defamatory ne sɛ agu ne ho fi ɛno nti no kɔɔto ɛma akɔne mu a ɛntua 20 million Ghana cedis 200 billion sika dadaa ɛmfa compensate no sɛdeɛ ɛsi ɛteɛ afei owie a nsɛm biara a konema ɛkae no baabi ɛkɔɔyɛ biara no court ɛnhyɛ na konema ɛnyini nyinaa firi ntentafidie no so na afei ɔnsan court nhyɛ sɛ ɛda sister konema anaasɛ obi biara ɔka na ho biara obi ɔno ne yɛ adwene biara ɛnkɔgyina baabi ɛmfa saa nsɛm no ɛnsan kɔka saa nsɛm no biara na ɔmpublish saa nsɛm no ɛwɔ baabi foforɔ biara bi ɛno nso yɛ baako ɛna afei court ɛnsan hyɛ sister konema sɛ ɔnyɛ video na ɔretracte n'asɛm a ɔkaeɛ. So, or retracting some kind in area. Now, I sound so I apologize to Roman Fada because of insensitive or kind. No, update about Sabajua. Name say why you okay? Tinoa and I'll buy everything more common. Thing now is also I can send be their fan a defamatory and some more kind so essentially a force. Tikot and shell. Na on your son money na. That is the news yeah. About Betuja. Yeah, there's some more. I'm sure as I draw them see there. You've gotten a fair idea of whatever I'm talking about. And I say, I'm sure says is yeah, oh yeah, okay, what you say. So it was yummy bay. We just got to pray. Yes, yummy say, oh no more, na pipia and your boko. Right. Tiading in our pemasi, yamin kain I ho, na oma pipia, and so any boko. Make a even on your dana the achame. Na yentim konkoye ni yehwe the aka away. Majua don't say thank you for the update. You're welcome, Majua. You're welcome. Anything for you, okay? Yes, anything for you. My mind day for you until the beginning. We'll be there to give you the best. Said yeah, is at here. Now, I'm saying, I'm doing some work kind of I'm saying, yeah, depending be there, because doing some now your damn on function. Why? The same one, mother news number reporting that not it's often the BBC I'm question and say right now Bonham's there be my that's why we soon see many politics no the politics and family but anyway you tell my own the baby touch my to me chair you some go card do so asem na why you okay with it Morris Dash I don't know so why you okay am patch why whatever ma okay now you corner on babusu ya kwa Miss Slam abranti asem ya me ya oh why you fa any obusu afọ mo hwe me sabre abranti ya na ho fini twagwe emo ya o ya diagnose no ya diagnose no kidney stage 5 kidney issues be ho and now remember for example say thanks for reading my comment even though you didn't like them oh for example na me ka say me like o comment the comment say for example this is bad na me Eric oh when you miss out offer the comment is me kan say me kan obi a comment just say na me kan wo there Oh, Eric, instead of me kind will be a comment. Oh, right. Some I so much will go more hand come and na nka ɔno nso asrɛ me a example sɛ mekan comment obiara deɛ sɛ ana mekan wo deɛ nkyɛn na ɔka sɛ mempɛ sɛ mekan wo deɛ ɛrekɔ so manyɛ saa mate a example na wohwɛ ɛfiri mfa ma mehu ɛhefa na yɛ a wohwɛ ɛfiri wadaroma ɛna afei ama ade akyerɛ mpem yes bantama any or America which you say you have every right to criticize the government because you're a citizen of the country. Exactly no crap. Me that sister ma. Afe when be na bna say Pentecost okay na bna ko Pentecost. Any ntia because em say na sorry yin na Pentecost sorry anyom na and na what to sa na because na em say sorry na what the DJ na sorry na me boa na bna ɔde ani gye so wato nnwom na ɔde akɔwura na yɛn yɛ yehowa tomfo nyae me kwantuni mi wɔsrɛ yi so ɛno ara na wato a because ɛnɛ no nneɛma na yɛ abotiri o ɛyɛ asɛm o nti na ɔbɛn gyina nipa wɔ yɛ kɔɛ na abɔkye mu ɛnyɛ asɛm ketewa afei adwo adom say I would advise Roman Fada to go and work. Oh, so no, he's working already. I say, or a senior journalist, yeah. And then Yama Brain, or I'll say, Obusa, where is Lumba's body? Oh, okay, Matia. Eric Sapon say North Dakota, USA. Oh, okay. Ericus, Matia, all the way from North Dakota, USA, Matia, that's Ericus, Selje Bray. Now, also, Obershare. That is the issue about. Be out of my chair, Samba. Now, yeah, the Abasuni, Yamina, who Yamabo. Na tutu na mo ensi de ye abranti anhufo ni da so busia mo yeni komo kaka mesra mo abranti ya diagnose no ya I stage 5 kidney disorder na the kidney disorder ni de no I was stage 5 just be bia adru no adru bunum ya ano aye den adru bunum ya abranti chese ontimi nya na ho hwe na ama abrabo na ye bibia o kakra ama ontimi nkɔ no watimi aba ades wɔn nyinaa bɛda ɔmaame ɛne abusuafo nkae so brɛ ɔhaw ne amane nkɔ ano nam mu na doctor fo kyerɛ sɛ ansa wɔn betumi ahwɛ abranti asa na yadeɛ no ɛgye sɛ $30,000 no check ya 3.3 billion bi kura gu so na ɔtwe bia nso ɔkɔ dialysis no a ɛyɛ 12 million sika dada no 12 million ɛnɛ 1,200 Ghana cedis ti ama abrabɔ na bibi ho ya busuafo ntimi ntena da busuafo ntimi enye wɔn ho hwe na rosem kwan sɛ abrantie esi abrabɔ so kakra kɔ suku wie hye na abrabɔ ase na wɔs da bi on tena no na ntimu sa sɛ kwa na wusu ne wɔn aka ne na mu sɛ ya busua oni na mu sa mai si yɛ te akoma ani broken heart akɛse na yɛ te akoma saa ya te amanfo akoma saa bɛsia me adoma asɛm obi sɛ da bia meka etwimi ankasa ba meka abranteɛ deɛ kanyame adom na ahyɛ abrabɔ ase kakra na unya obi a ɔdɔ te wasɛm ase ɛwɔ abra unya nyɛ from kwa no a na ɔno na ka bom na nka mo sim no hwede nyame bɛyɛ mo enso kwa bena wusu ne branteɛ aka meka ho bi me cause me abranteɛ kwa bena wusu ne branteɛ aka kyesɛ ebe na ntimwa na emanfo te o makoma na ade boni be na dia yema bai muti akoma sa ade e kasa kwa na ra mfa bia abranti bi broken ata wanya waka chem nya asem to na muti ma abranti akoma sa se muti akoma ni so na ina nyame adom abranti nyame ka na akoma ya oso da bi me pe oba na ware oba otemase na yahwe nyame be ebe nyame adom wo sha braba se o ware ya abusua any 6 months po na ya diagnose na stage 5 kidney disorder bi je say ontimi nyehwe na odi onso one picture oni ma me nchi obra na ya de ni nyama ye na hwa de se da be abeti asem na America na si awan him fampo or him fan the picture Alex picture way oh ana me yefia okay odi me ya basisi America abusua America sa picture basisi America enti oh a nice guy yeah asem na abrentia na busua yesi nipa ba akofo nsa enso nyame ani katenti enti na mafato mo so se mia me ba bebo hu dero na nyame aya adom hu yambo na yina yetimi abambi na bibia ya asundwe. Your friend Alex Ofori. Yes, your friend Alex Ofori. Young guy, only here before said kidney. Oh, oh. Before said kidney. When you by stage 5, yeah, only a nice guy. Nice guy. Nice guy, pa. To only before issues win our them. And I say they are bad with you. To the mede ma de sɛ na ɛto amansa nim sɛ busua nyame ka wakoma kakra bi a wo bi a kakra bi a sɛ bi ka wakoma bi a menka ne saa ya pɛ sɛ ɔde bo abrantie bi a no wobɛtumi ame fa na yi ne to so ɛde afa either sɛ wobɛtumi afa ne so direct ɔpɛ sɛ ɔde ma me na me am so me de ma ne nua na mɛma ɔde ma me ne nua ne nsa bɛka ya either sɛ ɔpɛ sɛ ɔyɛ video ana sɛ ɔmo yɛ bibi ma ɔmo sɛ ɔmo nsa ka ni na ɔmo bɛtumi ayɛ na bibia ayɛ kama nti ɛno ɛna etwagu ɛwɔ afidie no so yes this is said the any nti the ball money number is 0549 432 276 0549 432 276 0549 432 276 the dino Alex Ofori and the mobile money number and afe the bank and so yeah I'll say Fidelity Bank and as a bank account waiting do more fast Fidelity Bank account number is 2090 2614 73117 2090 2614 73117 2090 2614 73117 I know your account. I know your account number. Waiting to do more fast. The numbers in are available. Waiting to do more fast. Say, open so reach out to me. So now, I'm connected with Nebuchadnezzar phone and your Mokasa. Now, do more. Far almost one. And also, in Seychelles, any of them is accepted. Until this Robusia, can I say, trust him? Say, one yam, Mamma, Monkatway. 1 year, Mamma, Safari. Then, I mean, I became a coma. They in I to me a boa. Na Abranti was re. Na Abranti, and ya, who didn't be him. Na one say Jan and so na bibia aya asumje and na bna say okay na bna say okay we started from adwo adum say $30,000 oh my god adwo anya sam ketua and you say asem ni mo ya pa 30,000 and yes ketua but nyame na beboa na waye yes so adwo 30k USD and anya sam ketua afi na bna say Odobroni people think Queen has money so they want to take all her money. Oh, okay. And Afi, no worries. We'll try and send your friend brother something small. Why, Mati, na Yami sure Wadarama. Now when you are coming as well, Montebusia, Yamin sure be an amount from Pi 130. Na Yameno Ambre no near Branty, and maybe be a any asumji said there is it. Afi, when be divine charity, hey, divine, maybe I'm a cordier. I'll say those divine, I would say, I'll see those. People think it is a joke. Divine, I say more. And after an abna BM say, oh, Kwabna, stop the lies. You never get broken heart. I never know broken heart, but I'm just say, I'm on for bread. No, but I'm on for bread. Or time maybe be answer me bottom the old door. So, any answer get all. It's an I'm just say, I'm not here. I obey. So, what shall be a bossy? Now, when you will be our door parent, no better once and once here. Only be seen them. As some count, normally no. So they are branching the amiadum, when you are a door for missing them. Yeah, on what age is already 6 months pepe. And how near money about Timian Hoshi. Well, yeah, the hotel as I must say, I mean, or cherish you for who you are, bro, young Jew, young calling could do so. So, now we know me. Just say, I'm on for do the on time, maybe as we go to the order. A money, good money, and no pay. Or tonight, a budget and a dream. Just say, yeah, I want for you with the algorithm. And even though me come, ya me tiamia, but a fact. Say, I brand here, dear. Say, ya, send my car. Can you me ya doom? Now, this is what I shall be boss now. You get a woman of your youth, or bar, or not to say, yes, share in your vision, no more carbon. Nya fe na obi betete o be Edward Bediagro me yakrosu and have anya some keto so on dey na beze me chese e na ha dwen so na fe ama de a chempem say I must say, I pray Ima has a good lawyer because, okay, because remember for that is nobody. It's nobody's name. It's a title. Oh, okay. Okay. I get a point I was making. I see. Yeah, sure. I think say and man be my own okay, so just say you can say Roman for that, yeah. Will be title say I mean a officer occupied by Roman for us for. So the I can say you'll be a Catholic bishop or be a Roman father, or be a reverend minister, superintendent minister, or Methodist man, and be sir. I know you will be a thing, but okay, but I don't know if say well, yeah, sure, and Brano, the Bema who yet, but I think the matter there, ama the champion more can see here, so let's cross our fingers and then see. So the Nyama ABC Aquabusia. That is it. Yeah, more branty, Mamma Pa, Macoma Swadina, Zinyamina Be, why be kama. Eti ama sounds na ye ton fee, Mr. Ramo. Our here from Pony. Yeah. Any ye ton fee win so our Achemayabi. 10 minutes drive from Sofalai. A 4 bedroom house. 4 bedroom house, yeah, you can want me. Out of the 4 bedrooms, no one, a master bedroom. Yeah, what hall kakraka, away inside. Hall no, me say hall no, say oh ho. Now no banner or bounce inside wa. Open say all from I just go use megaphone because a horse papa. Yeah, bank ground friend now until use megaphone at that thing. Big hall, very spacious. Your dining hall so kama ever hall. And a 3 bedrooms now can it be answer self-contained. Nothing now be peer there. We say inside now here be a kama. And then aside that and so your kitchen kama pam bibia kitchen with you. And a garage no here with you nyasem ketua. When you say garage na ho no. Go 4 bars be 5 and 4 betimi akọ garage. Are serious? Ebusia. Atwemaya be 10 minutes drive from Sofulai. Ho and a feel when this oh shame. Na sabre opese unya fie wo Kumasi nko ade a ema bibia ha ema bibia nya wadwentwen ene wa mane wo de from sisi antempa na ene omo enkasa efie no ebo no so da form kama ya unya from a omeje office na bibia aye kama said ya esietie na wo fie no kura on say wo gate no a right side ho oh some hat na esi ewo no okotena so na na wo hwe krom na wo hwe mountain so because let's not forget say if you are making once me a 10 minutes drive from Sofia Atwaya be and near Bako and na ho na eben ebu akwa eben tan so kwada so ni nkwa do aka enti wo te wa ho ebu akwa ho tan so ho kwada so makoye full exclusive video no e wo me channel no so dey check video by Grace TV videos one na obo say sa video na me kana share one baby so dey busua mo maye hu dey ye na entempa our number no is 0249 165994 0249 165994 0249 165994 so how den wo nko ade a na wafrɛ wo na oni omo akasa na watofi no kama na if you know oto a wa bedi hu adanse obehwe me de mebo am say abrante say wo kyerɛ ma de papa wo kyerɛ ma de pa 0249 165994 Atwemaya be 10 minutes drive from Sofulai eho ena efie no ewo and finally Samsung American for recharge automobiles e de amabusua binanse se o peka atonkwa de a Kumasi ne nkran ha ma bibia ha recharge automobiles omo cars papa cars na bo da form ya akrebi ekro bi akọ recharge automobiles abusua na kwani se ubenya wo so no car na wato na watimi de aye movement watimi de abobra na bibia akoye e de ama afei ebi nso aka na ekura no wali so ache na apese oton car no but unye obia ma ne ntoma because unnim how obetimi aton car no problem fa car no kusi recharge on beji car no maton ama on ton man wi a no ma froze masa o car na de ba ya ton wi no go ju sika agubotom umpewe na edien na ape e recharge automobiles afei we aban adwuma ya ni kwa dia wato adi no anse odo pay slip akọ na ne o ma ye hye o ma bedom no ma car no bi na busua otua ne kakran kopim se nyame be ya dom na otua ne nyina awie ebi nso a wonya aban adwuma ne wo ye sofo wo ye ohene na pia wadaroma opeka papa na ade akonhia mu ne ade ahemfuhia wotime kobia aya oteke mo bi nso ye na kai ana oden na paka ne car na nso yes obrempon na eba na ko recharge automobiles numbers na etwago ho no na edi omo koye nhyehyɛ ya ombe ma car ni bi no tua ne kakran di han so wa address yeah check say na dey o wa ha unya ne nko bebia na bebia ye kama mo nso am wa kwantum ebia na pese otoka fra kwantum ba Ghana o de brema me papa unia bi odofo bi ma ne ha ọdọ nso afọ recharge ọmọ bẹ assist na ọmọ atọka no ẹwọ akọntum mu ọmọ aboa no ọmọ aboa ọmọ atọka no akọntum ebedu Ghana nso just forget about it port hɔ ọmọ agent akẹsifo na ɛwɔ hɔ a ọmọ a ɛbɛdum aboa na ọmọ yi car no ɛde free port hɔ no ama kama no bibi akɔyɛ ɛde ama ɛyɛ recharge automobiles ɛyɛ recharge automobiles ọmọ ɛwɔ Kumasi ya recharge automobiles Kumasi a ọmọ Achimota overhead Kumasi ọmọ asukwa the arc ɛna akran so watch mota overhead no as recharge number na 0243 633 669 0243 633 669 and afei 0534 815 871 0534 815 871 air recharge automobiles air recharge automobiles air recharge automobiles it says automobiles and one sem in America and the actual no afi Erica Sapon say Emma doesn't need a lawyer unless she has evidence to the horrible I will tell you horrible things she said. What she needs the most is humility. Mati Ericus. Eja o comment kura na meka ya was ade na meka me nini ho. Oh Eric. Yeah men kasa why. Enti Eric nso adwen hwe how dia ba. Ene ye de ba so amansa. Obusia finally men can obi trading and afei a battle grace 173 na many kind with battle grace. You can say battle grace I think na say Ghana for mo hwe me from America and Canada. Battle Grace your number one insurance group. It sounds here your number one financial group. Yeah, open insurance company, papa, the one batano. Open financial company, papa, the one batano. Yeah, and one Battle Grace Financial Services. Yeah, sabi, or more, I want some HW for the AC. Or what you might do, and say, number one insurance group, or intermediary financial group. Yeah, almost a bra obo, any secure bound someone. Now, one more insurance company, papa, the number town. See, there be be said, no one sees can call you here more, home culture. I feel no one sees can also Mr. McCown, the swimmer so. Or how near man ye be bar, Sabi. I won't share Emma. Or how near man ye be bar, Ubinian see a chiba papa beer, or more be so, no more to me a bow. I'm what me to an amount. And no, a Battle Grace Financial Services. Oh, show me. Now a gun in your America and Canada, Mr. For number, yeah, maybe I'll be any more than a drink or maybe be uncle for also America. What I say, on the insurance company, be almost although what's not going to my own home, not with see cash. But Battle Grace, or we intermediary financial group. Insurance companies not only to an amount, or we now insurance companies say, yes, aha, or we did not brand. Nay, we are seeing now, Joe. What you say? Now, ye can be a sick as same one, or more a demon tintima wumpa. We almost feel more any you know. And no, I'm a Battle Grace Financial Services. And you're to an amount. Into the only Battle Grace for Casa, near me, I don't know your first normal bower. Ube free the American. Ya how near money be and so how near money be any tree. A Battle Grace Financial Services. A Battle Grace Financial Services. Almost service normal funny be a life insurance, college funding, long-term care, legacy strategies, retirement strategies, business strategies, and a disability insurance. Intimate for more than a number 813 408 1084 813 408 1084 813 408 1084. I know a Battle Grace Financial Service. Not just to say financial freedom for everyone. Financial freedom for everyone. Found on what now know who the biarada obutumpon the BBI from and so at the amount. Finally, a Battle Grace and finally a OB Trading Enterprise. Oh la la, na job be one from Mr. I was going to be a job be mamma, and I mean 10 car. A job be over him friend, ye don't mind include this year, yea, a job be. And I'm maintaining count, meaning your bed, and what dear. Okay, Nana say, I can say OB Trading Enterprise. Oh, no, Kumasi hapa dear. Oh, baby, I've been your perfumes, papa. Baby, I've been your tardy, papa. And then papa dear. Oh, Chroma, I'll say Chroma dear. And one a year OB Trading enterprise. Me deɛ maso ahwɛ. Trɔsɛm sɛ deɛ w'ani ehu me deɛ waso ate. Ɛno na wodi ho adanseɛ. Na me maso ahwɛ ɛna mahu sɛ obi trading enterprise kurom a any size. Me kɔ Asante Mampɔn de safo hyɛ hɔ na akɔ. Me kɔ Asante Mampɔn abusua. Me gyina Asante Mampɔn na obi afrɛ me from Atebubu. Amanten yɛgye sɛ kwabena Mateo perfume na egu hɔ. I'm say what? Obi a me wɔ Mampɔn no. That day is not a perfume a obi trading adaroma or the man me na me de egu me ho. Saa me kɔ Asante Achimago. Me gyina gogo. Obi afrɛ me from ayi. Ɛyɛ akɔ ayɛmfa Konongo. Efijase Kumawu Asokore Ekutu ase Senior Jase or Martin perfume Negumona. Obi Trading Enterprise. Obi Trading Enterprise. Kumase South Central Junction. Wana yina yako G and Tadi Papa, Yampa Papa, and the perfume Papa, the Bibia Kui Diama. Miss Omontano. So we shall now Pia. We say your boy and son of Frosa. What the perfume go one? Massa. I don't know, Miss it. Now, ya, none of our people mention Miss Remica. Santiman Council, Shim. Me could do an Indian bass and training. Oh, dear, come up, I'm missing a boy. That woman be the other. Who knows a problem who watch it? Chammy, she at your way, and I'm saying I'm the way. Or Chammy now say, now what they say, be not bad, Miss Remica. Just almost what they say, so bargaining. And I've walked and say, oh, my new perfume, fetch me. And I'm saying, perfume na ope. Yeah, man, fam. And yes, I be you madi anka me ko fi ko akofat be cheo. And I me ko to be the cheo. But now me busy ko ya. Perfume no wan kasa wo. O feel perfume na say or the ahon people grab buy hwese bag ndi anu wi. Na so there be perfume ni me nchen wo e feel na me bugu me ho. E na me call. But we feel the presence, we feel perfume no ma. Ontimi na. So all fresh me is perfume no way fa me nchen no nonsense just or perfume na nsa. Obi Trading Enterprise Kumasi South Central Junction masa me say ena no yegina dade so aba ena na ma mpoma be dia akosi kwabena ugina dade so aba de nso me mo UK buti me ba me feel perfume me di gu me ho mo obi wo UK o feel perfume na busia umpi we de na pe Obi Trading Enterprise Obi Trading Enterprise opoku bwachi perfume house and boutique ho eni na de ani 20 yen hwe ho be call on to video ni kakra bi yen fa show ni na emre
Kwana yeton. Your perfume, near my degree, home my own. Na near Niger woman say, perfumes neighbors show Hano. So, why when you be a whole tester? And the way you showcase is so ahead. I can't test her nature, saying, yes, I don't know about Baton, wouldn't the way let's see now. Bow, shake, we amber glue, glue, so shake, Yamaonia, now she and us when you want. Now,
Obi Trading.
Your near money.
I was the last one count. My fashion memory. Obi Trading. What am I mean BM crowd.
Kwana yeton. Your perfume, near my degree, home my own issue. Na near Niger woman say, perfumes neighbors show Hano. So, why when you be a whole tester? And the way you showcase is so ahead. I can't test her nature, saying, yes, I don't know about Baton, wouldn't the way let's see now. Bow, shake, we amber glue, glue, so shake, Yamaonia, now she and us when you want. Now, I take your near money.
Right, that was your intimate Serwaa. On my number no and na 0530 994553 0530 994553 0530 994553 Obi Trading Enterprise Opoku Wache Perfume House and Boutique ya ewo Kumasi South Central Junction ho and I make come for Eddie Amobi and to be unquay obi anko nko jibi na bibi anko ye mfama ye na me say me the one my boys na omukta ko ho no adizafu show na bana show Josephine o show oh boys na omo share the Obi Trading ayi kwan last me call boys no campus for boys ibi I say omo be top perfume but omo ba na omo bobe to be the framis na aya ye be to be na pa wa yerem no omko. And then your first time, Akosua Serwaa. because perfume here come. The boys no more down more appointment will be a so my kokwasa be bobi ogun aye on beto perfume boa omo de kwaje omo 3 points so me and me cameraman last me ko che me cameraman will be true cameraman will be am no akasa out so kura okodi ba bi ni ade say won ya baba bi appointment ti me na mo na me se bi ro na me ko chia we kesi na me boss e fi na me hwese de bi city obi ahun ya ni ade we wa cameraman na e bo perfume bi or test na massa obi a also wakodi ba bi no ha na wo ene say o test the alberto say o boa nya say o alberto bet oni obi bo appointment na me no ti o bo bi ya o ba alberto no abo be 3 bi afra ene o call ya 3 points the boy is no careful na wo say ya da o fi na o ma bo go no the 3 points o mountain so ane na boy say motisa abusuya enti no obi trading there so obi anko na onko obi anko no onko je perfume papa ni bi na bibia anko yi ema sanse this ya kroma de eno na obi aja atum I mean eno na obi aja atum achese ye ka say ye ka ye nka wit obi trading boni adwuma pa wabeboa pa ma Ghana man obi akoma to ne wabeboa ama wiase man obi a agi bibia atum said ya eti abusua so I sign out but the moon na wase brother ko yi but still what money at na be pem sa bre a ye di dwumade na awia the mechanism ya minstrom na adaji amonya wa yehunti I appreciate you abusua nyame come we need the company we super pem be share macro bye bye